Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second episode of the Amazon KDP series. If I were you, I would watch the first episode, which will be linked below, to fully understand the subject of writing a book on Amazon KDP. Now, let's get into it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So guys, welcome back to the channel, and yeah, let's jump right into it. You can see I'm copying and pasting the already typed ingredients and recipes from my notepad app. I typed these in previously to make the work kind of smoother for me. I should do the same. In the last episode we talked about the copyright page, the book cover, and all of that. This episode we're going to be creating more content. If you look up here, you remember that page from the last one that we created where we could not find the picture of rice, but we had to make shifts and cuts and join. So we'll be going to the next recipe, which is Nigerian coconut rice. I'll be copying and pasting from my notepad. So let's see how we do it. After copying and pasting from my notepad, I'm going to have to title it. The title is Nigerian coconut rice. So Nigerian coconut rice. After titling it, I'm going to have to start formatting all the components little by little, because the interior of your book matters a lot, because nobody would buy your book if it has a chunky interior. So Nigerian jollof rice. After typing out the title, I'm going to actually make it a heading 2, so that it will be clickable from the table of contents which we are going to create at the end of the book. Nigerian coconut rice, there you can see it. So next we'll go the ingredients up top. Just give it a capital letter, just to make it bold so that one can distinguish it from the rest of the text. That is very, very important, because your book needs to be very, very readable and enjoyable. If not, you won't make any sales. So just keep formatting. You can see the big blank page by the right there. It's not exactly blank, it has some text above it. Almost all the recipes are going to have something like that. And that page is solely for images of this recipe that we're creating. Just images of the recipes. That's the aim of this blank page. If not, we would have tried to fit everything in one singular page and just. But images will make your book more illustrative. Images will make your book more enjoyable to read. So you have to use images. So that will be all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. So I need you guys to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video, and share this video with your friends and family. Who knows, it might be just what they need to bust out the money maker within them. Thanks, guys.